Good morning, YouTube. I owe you all a cold start with the cutouts open. To be honest, not a pure cold start. I did start it and move it back to here so I don't piss off everybody in the house. But that's all I did was move it from there and there, so she's still very cold. She's filthy. Roads look like this every day. I haven't seen sun in about a week, so here we go. Cutouts are open. Let's get a cold start. Y'all like and subscribe. They are open too. They still flow through a little. Let me answer one question before I go on this video. Shut this off real quick. Or I'll close them so you guys can see the difference. As you can see, huge difference. Alright, so somebody asked me in the comments if this cam's supposed to chop. Yes, it's supposed to chop, and I believe it's supposed to chop a lot more than what it is. But when the tune gets all straightened out, we'll get that chopping. And she's filthy. This is disgusting. These roads just suck. Hate driving this truck in the winter. But you guys like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you guys like the new style of doing a video every day. And if you guys like that, I'll keep doing it. Alright. You guys have a good day. Keep these trucks rolling.